Because you know it was also freezing in Michigan. I mean, we think it was cold here. It was unbearable, probably, up there.
They're probably dealing with wind chills like in the -10, -20 degree range, unfortunately, but thankfully things are turning a corner, and that's the same here in San Antonio. We saw some sunshine earlier this morning, but now the clouds are really thickening up. Temperatures staying on the cooler side. We're at 40, feels like 36. East winds at 6 miles an hour. Area is extremely dry, but mostly cloudy skies and dry conditions will persist for this evening. So if you have any plans outdoors, that's how it's going to stay. But look at these temperatures. Haven't really budged all day. We bottomed out in the 30s and we made it to the lower 40s in San Antonio, 42 at Lackland, 42 at Calaveras Lake, still in the upper 30s in parts of Bernie, Kerrville, Fredericksburg, for parts of the Hill Country. It is pretty cold, way colder than average for this time of year. Tonight's outline temperature right around 39 to 40 for the next several hours. Thanks to cloud cover, though, we're not going to see a huge fluctuation in temperatures. By tomorrow morning for early Sunday, likely starting the day out around 35 to 36 when it's all said and done. And that's pretty much where we stay all day tomorrow. Here's your Sunday forecast. It is going to be cloudy and dry and cold to start, but notice small warm up and then rain starts to move in. Now, at first, by the lunch hour, 1, 2 o'clock, that's when light rain begins to move in, and towards the evening hours and into early Monday, mainly in the overnight, is when storms move in. Not expecting anything severe, but the chance is there at some localized heavy rain in the next 48 hours. Right now, satellite is quiet, mostly cloudy and dry here across our area, but look out west, very active weather pattern. This is all courtesy of a weather flow that is deepening, it's strengthening, and what that's doing is channeling a lot of moisture from the west in our direction. And this pattern will stay locked in for the next several days. Might even be a week for us in Texas that we break it. And it looks like we're going to see several days of these disturbances moving in from the west, of which starting tomorrow afternoon. Here's your timeline, the hour by hour. Tomorrow morning, 8, 9 a.m., mostly cloudy, maybe some patchy drizzle and a few light sprinkles. That's about it. By 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, light rain scattered to numerous showers, maybe some freezing precip north of Austin, but nothing severe. Most of the wintry weather will stay towards Dallas and parts of North Texas. Tomorrow night, 8, 9, 10 p.m., that's where a few pockets of heavy rain could certainly move through. And I think the main time frame will be in the overnight into Monday morning, where some of these could get going more active, maybe a few areas of thunder and lightning. But no hail is expected, nothing in terms of that. Maybe some straight line gusty winds near 40 to 50 miles an hour from these storms. But by Monday afternoon, skies begin to clear, and then that'll be the first of several rain chances in the forecast. And then it returns Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We have several consecutive days of pretty good soaking rains through Wednesday and then returning by next weekend, next Saturday and Sunday. So we have an active pattern going in to next week where forecast rain totals out near Houston could exceed 5 inches in a matter of 7 days. You can see San Antonio, the forecast rain totals on the order of 2 to 3 with less out west, and farther east you go, you do run into a flooding threat. Right now it's slight, and the main time frame that with that occurring will probably be about Wednesday and Thursday of next week as those next few disturbances roll through the Lone Star State. All right, 7-day forecast tomorrow, a cold day, best chance at rain early afternoon and evening time frame. Tomorrow night, it is going to be wet, especially into Monday morning. High near 61 on Monday with several days of rain. Temperatures near 70 on Thursday. So Alicia, less freezing weather, more of the umbrella kind of weather and more rain through next week.
All right, we'll be ready. Ryan, thank you.